Hello, my name is Daisy Yasmin Alvarez Príncipe. I was for February 19 to 4. I live in San Luis. I live with my family. I say I are very important to because it always support me. I am correct studying psychology. My favorite subjects are mathematics and geometry. I know I studying work and time. I am responsibly I commit person. I my for time enjoy listen to music and relaxing. I am taking this English course because I want to empower my English skill and have board opportunity in the future. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.